Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to enable notifications in Slack, never miss a Slack message easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head and log in first onto your Slack account. So as you can see, I'm currently in already, and to go ahead and enable the notification, just head here onto the upper left corner of the screen with its three horizontal lines. Click onto that and there should be an option for you to hover onto File. So inside file, we have here is preference. So this is also the shortcut key for that. Click onto that one, and right after, you should be able to see notifications onto the first part of it. So you could go ahead and customize the different notification settings in here. You could go ahead and specify what notifies you about. So we're going to click on all new messages in here so that if there are any messages, you won't miss that one. And also you could go ahead and tick this to checkbox in here to notify you when a huddle starts in one of your channels or notify about replies to threads that you're following. So if you hover or scroll down further, you should be able to see in here the notification schedule. So you'll only receive notification in the hours that you've chose. So we're going to go ahead and leave it as it is. And there are also settings in here to choose on how your notification should look, sound, and behave. So you could go ahead and try to update everything in here as per your preference, and just make sure to go ahead and turn on the different settings here onto the upper part. And that is just basically it, how you enable notifications in Slack and never miss a Slack message. And if you think that has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.